Welcome once again. Let's talk about FEG token, feed every gorilla token FEG. Now, 2023 is coming very fast, very soon, and we believe that 2023 is going to be a year of bullish for crypto industry. We believe that BTC will be hitting back at its all-time price of about $67,000, and I believe, of course, there's a possibility that FEG token is going to hit a very high level soon. Now, remember that FEG token have gotten a lot of support from crypto industry, especially Get.io and other exchanges that have listed FEG token like BigX, like Hotbits. But 2023, what will be will be. What I mean by what will be is this 2023, we crypto investors, we crypto traders, we believe it's going to be our year. Oh yes, we are going to make good profit in 2023, and I believe yes, it's going to be a positive year. That is what will be, and everybody will be smiling, especially those who will buying coins earlier. But remember to invest what you can afford to lose. So FEG token, feed every gorilla token. At least they have over $28 million market cap already. And as also, FEG token, that FEG token burning is being discussed mostly by FEG token holders. Holders are ready to really support FEG token burning. And one good thing about FEG token is that the supply of FEG token is not even up to that of Shiba Inu, not even up to that of Tectonic token. FEG token is going to burn out their supply so fast, and I want the developers to keep pushing. Now the roadmap has been released, and I believe that if they can really achieve what is written on that roadmap, what they promised us, 2023 is going to be a positive, and we are going to see a high increase in price for FEG token. FEG token, feed every gorilla, definitely is going to pump, and I believe that very soon we'll be seeing FEG token be listed by XT.com. We'll see FEG token be listed by Binance, by Coinbase, by Crypto.com. I want to see top exchanges listing FEG token. And most importantly, the developers need to work towards getting partnership for FEG token in 2023. Partnering with many companies, with different companies, will definitely end up giving FEG token that foundation. We definitely end up pushing the price of FEG token, bringing FEG token in front of millions of crypto users around the world. And I want to see FEG token definitely hit over 10,000% next year, 2023. Right now, FEG token is currently trading with about 9 zeros, and I believe that by the time FEG token keep increasing, we will be seeing a very high increase in price in 2023. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.